Snake factory operations remain orderly. Systems replace uncertainty. Control defines success. Modern processing is precise.
Snake transport follows strict guidelines. Handling remains careful. Tracking continues. Responsibility extends beyond the factory.
Distribution requires precision. Each snake package integrity maintained. Coordination ensures safe delivery. Delays avoided.
In this snake factory, every step is carefully monitored. Safety rules are followed. Precision ensures each snake is handled perfectly.
Snake handling begins with preparation. Protective gear keeps workers safe. Trained hands guide every snake through the process.
Each snake is visually inspected, size, condition, and health verified. Only approved snakes continue forward. Quality control starts immediately.
Snake processing is assisted by technology. Sensors detect abnormalities instantly. Data is logged real-time. Accuracy improves with automation.
Direct contact with snakes is avoided. Safety tools protect workers. Snake handling remains calm. Slow movements ensure safety.
Final checks protect quality. Each snake is reviewed. Defects are removed. Standards remain strict. Approval is earned.
Continuous cleaning is mandatory. Every snake tool is sanitized. Hygiene prevents contamination. Standards are maintained.
Moisture affects snake product quality. Drying systems maintain precise conditions. Sensors adjust automatically for every ball python batch.
Organization speeds workflow. Each snake batch is tracked. Labeling prevents confusion. Tracking ensures accountability.
Data guides every decision. Sensors track each snake. Environmental monitoring prevents issues. Information keeps control tight.
The process nears completion. Snake batches flow uninterrupted. Timing is synchronized. Efficiency defines success.
End-of-cycle cleaning is mandatory. Hygiene continues after processing. Preparation never ends. Each snake station.
Organized flow prevents delays. Each snake moves efficiently. Timing synchronized logistics ensures safety.
Labels provide essential snake tracking, and every unit can be traced. Accountability maintained. Transparency enforced.
Moisture affects snake product longevity testing, maintains quality. Sensors provide real-time feedback.
Cameras detect issues instantly. Snake safety is ensured. Technology improves monitoring. Automatic alerts prevent defects. Random checks maintain trust. Every snake is tested. Consistency is confirmed. Approval is earned. Traceability is essential, and every snake unit has identity records support accountability. Transparency matters.
Storage conditions protect snake product quality. Temperature remains stable. Inventory is logged digitally, and security is maintained.
Cleanliness is strictly enforced. Snakes are processed on sanitized stations. Hygiene prevents contamination. Standards are never compromised.
Awareness reduces accidents. Rules displayed clearly. Snake handling training reinforces discipline. Knowledge protects everyone.
Inventory management prevents shortages. Each snake item is logged. Accuracy ensures accountability. Efficiency maintained.
Environmental conditions affect snake material integrity. Sensors ensure optimal levels. Automation maintains balance.
Calibration ensures machine accuracy. Each snake is handled correctly. Maintenance prevents breakdowns. Reliability is maintained.
Records preserve transparency. Every snake processing step is documented. History supports accountability. Data ensures quality.
Final checks protect snake quality. Defects are removed. Standards remain strict. Nothing slips through.
Snake packaging completes the process. Sealing protects each snake. Labeling ensures traceability. Workflow remains smooth. Efficiency is maintained. Packaging ensures python safety. Sealing maintains quality. Speed meets precision. Automation guarantees uniformity. Humans oversee machines, ensuring safety intervention prevents mistakes. Monitoring enhances accuracy. Workflow smooth. Safety rules guide every action. Signage reinforces awareness. Compliance protects workers. Attention constant.
Central control coordinates snake processes, and humans and machines work together. Workflow is smooth, efficiency high.
Surveillance enhances snake factory security. Monitoring prevents unauthorized access control, protects assets. Safety is paramount.
Final stage completes snake processing, and sealing preserves product. Labeling confirms batch traceability standards are met.
Snake factory operations continue seamlessly. Technology and human oversight ensure smooth processing. Precision governs all.
In this video, we will learn the complete process of potatoes from growing the crop to packing and delivery, how potatoes are grown and how they are packed for distribution. Now we will pack the potatoes in bags and deliver them to the factory. At the factory, the potatoes are washed, cut, then cooked and packed. If you like this process, make sure to like the video, and for more processes like this, don't forget to subscribe.